Welcome to Hobby-Trendy channel. Today I'll be showing the installation of daisy grommets. We call these grommets daisy grommets because of the look of the back side. I'll install two sizes, size 3 and size 5. And I need to punch holes for the grommets first. As you see, the dies for Hobby-Trendy press are interchangeable. Let's punch another hole for size 5. And keep in mind that the hole punch is widely used for punching round holes in leather, belts, plastic, rubber, canvas, fabric, cloth, cardboard, etc. After punching the holes, you can place the grommets either into these holes or on the top of the bottom die. Now it's time to install the grommets. After placing the grommet on the bottom die, just press firmly on the handle of the press. You don't need the washers with daisy grommets. Let's install size 5. And that's it. We punched a couple of grommets easily. Don't forget to check out the links in the description.